So let me show you how to change the equalizer settings, or how to use the equalizer on the JBL Clip 5. Now for this one, you're gonna have to download and install the JBL Portable app on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android, and then of course pair your speaker to your phone, and then you can go to your JBL Clip 5, and at the top there you should see equalizer. Now you have different equalization or equalizer settings: custom, which are chill, predefined, so chill, energetic, vocal, and whatnot. But then you have custom. So if you tap on custom and then tap on edit, you can actually equalize this speaker to exactly the specifications that you want. So you can adjust bass, the mids, and the highs to the right. And then once you set what you want, you can now hit the back button, and that's going to be your equalizer settings. You can always switch back and forth from the default to the custom equalizer settings. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.